In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail on your mobile device. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you accidentally delete important emails and later realize that you need them back. The process is straightforward, but it requires paying attention to detail. So let's dive into it. First, you must open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into the correct Google account where your emails were deleted. Once you're in the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The look and feel of the app can vary slightly depending on whether you're using Android or iOS, but the functions will be very similar. Now, in the top left corner of the app, you'll see three horizontal lines. This is known as the menu icon. Tap it to open up a list of different sections within Gmail. You'll want to scroll through this list until you find an option labeled Trash, or in some cases, Bin. This section contains all the emails you've deleted in the past 30 days. It's worth noting that after this period, emails are permanently removed from the trash and can't be recovered through normal means. Once you're in the trash, carefully scroll through the emails listed there. You're looking for the email or emails you wish to recover. They might be mixed in with a lot of other emails, so take your time to ensure you don't miss anything important. When you find the email you're looking to recover, tap on it to open. After opening the email, look for the menu icon, which typically looks like three vertical dots and is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this will provide you with several options. In the menu, select the option Move To. This is an essential step as it allows you to move the selected email back into your inbox or any other folder you deem appropriate, thereby recovering it from the trash. After you've decided where you'd like to move the email to, just tap on the location and the email will transfer there automatically. Sometimes, retrieving an email from the trash folder doesn't resolve your issue. If your email isn't found in the trash folder, it might have been there for more than 30 days and permanently deleted. In such cases, the only recourse is to contact Google support. They have a mail restore tool that might be able to help, especially if there's a chance the email can be located through Google's server backups. However, remember that success isn't guaranteed, particularly for emails permanently deleted a long time ago. Hopefully, with these steps, you've managed to successfully recover any deleted emails you need. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.